This is a motorcycle that encourages riders to take their time and savor every mile, and it has refined its custom cruiser character with a more distinctive look, improved ergonomics, and new rider-focused technology. It's the perfect blend of relaxed comfort and modern capability. The Bonneville Speedmaster, launched for 2026, features a larger fuel tank, sharper bodywork, and refined details, creating a bolder presence. It features optimized cornering, ABS, and lean-sensitive traction control, subtly giving riders an extra layer of confidence and control. A powerful new LED headlight and a cockpit-mounted USB-C power outlet add modern comfort and visibility, especially on longer rides. Wider rider and passenger seats offer better support and greater comfort for longer rides, while new, more conventional handlebars create a more natural, yet relaxed, riding position. What truly sets the Speedmaster apart is its ability to convey the Bonneville's timeless character with factory-custom styling and versatility. This motorcycle offers a unique and satisfying riding experience that stands out among the ranks of modern classic motorcycles. No other motorcycle on the market offers this level of custom styling, comfort, and versatility straight from the factory. The 16-inch spoked wheels, fitted with wide 130 and 150-inch tires, provide excellent grip in all conditions. New lightweight aluminum rims reduce unsprung mass, improving agility and steering response, and sharpening the Speedmaster's already effortless handling. The increased fuel capacity not only enhances its long-distance capability, but also reinforces its commanding stance, reinforcing the Speedmaster's unmistakable silhouette.